Hey everyone, it's Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So a bit of a good news, bad news story, and I hate being the bad guy, but for all you wonderful people who have 1 ounce Lunar Dragons purchased, so that's the 1 ounce gold, the 1 ounce platinum, and the 1 ounce silver. Now, a lot of people have paid for them, which is the requirement payment within 48 hours, but a chunk of people haven't made payment within those 48 hours. Now, we are extending that payment period to a week, but if we haven't received payment by the 13th, which is Monday, by the 13th of November, then those orders will be cancelled out of the system. And the good news part of the story is they will become available to other people. So if you're on the platinum ballot list, or you're really wanting to buy a gold or a silver 1 ounce, we will list them back up on the web on Monday. The platinums will offer into the ballot again. So, if you can make your payment, like I said, we have kind of waived that 48-hour grace period, but I think a week's probably long enough. So if we haven't received payment within that week, we are going to cancel your order and place it back into the pool. That's it for now. We'll talk again very, very soon. See ya.